In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Zoom meeting link. This guide is perfect for beginners and will help you schedule and invite others to meetings without any hassle. So, whether you're using the desktop app or the web portal, I've got you covered. Let's start with the process of creating a Zoom meeting link if you're using a desktop computer. First, you need to open your Zoom desktop application. Once it's open, you'll want to click on the Schedule button, which you'll find on the Home tab. This is where you'll set all the important details for your meeting. Begin by giving your meeting a topic. This can be anything that helps your participants understand the purpose of the meeting. Next, you'll set the date, time, and duration of your upcoming meeting. It's also essential that you configure the required settings, such as the passcode, waiting room, and your video and audio options. Once everything is set up to your liking, go ahead and click Save. If you're using the Zoom web portal, it's just as straightforward. Sign in to your account on the Zoom website. From there, navigate to the Meetings section. Here, you'll click on Schedule a Meeting. You'll be able to configure all the same details we discussed earlier, like the topic, date, time, and any necessary security settings. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Save. Now that your meeting is scheduled, let's retrieve the meeting link. If you're on the desktop app, return to either the Home or Meetings tab. Find and click on your meeting from the list. Here you will see a link labeled Join Zoom Meeting. This is the clickable meeting link that will open the meeting effortlessly once clicked. To share it with others, simply copy this link. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, or a calendar invite, making it easy for your attendees to join. For web users, you'll do something quite similar. Go to the Meetings section and click on your meeting. You will have the option to click Copy Invitation, or you can simply click the copy link icon near the meeting link. This straightforward setup will ensure your participants have easy access to your meeting. Lastly, let's explore how to use your Personal Meeting ID, or PMI, for recurring meetups. This option provides a permanent meeting link. In your Zoom app, click the drop-down next to New Meeting and select Use My Personal Meeting ID. Start your meeting and copy the link or invitation as you did before when scheduling a meeting. The great thing about using a PMI is that the link remains the same, provided you don't change your PMI settings, making it ideal for recurring gatherings. And that's it! You now have everything you need to schedule, create, and share Zoom meeting links effortlessly. Happy Zooming!